Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have Visual Studio installed and signed in. Now begin. Open File, select New Project, and pick the language template you need. Once chosen, set a clear project name and location so your files stay organized, then set solution options if you want multiple projects grouped. Click Create and let the IDE scaffold files. This gets you to a runnable baseline quickly, so you can focus on coding rather than hunting settings or folders. Now configure the project to run correctly. You open Solution Explorer and inspect program or startup files to understand the entry point. If you need libraries, add NuGet packages or project references and restore packages. That resolves missing APIs. Next, pick Debug or Release and confirm the target framework to match deployment. Once done, build the solution using Build Solution or Ctrl+Shift+B to compile. Run your app with F5 for debugging or Ctrl+F5 to run without the debugger. You set breakpoints, step through code, and monitor variables with watch and locals to understand runtime behavior. Use the output and diagnostic tools to spot exceptions or performance spikes. Once tests pass, commit changes. If something breaks, clean and rebuild the solution, verify NuGet packages and project references, and restart Visual Studio as a quick troubleshooting step. This often clears stale caches or lock issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.